Look at this. Fresh.
Smells brand new.
Can we just spill some tequila on it?
Because it is.
We're finally getting set up in the office. We got the expert here. DJ Icon, Eric Dlux, DJ Lessons.
It's called the bag.
Secure the bag.
The bag. The moneymaker bag, you know?
All right, we're getting ready. We're gonna get set up. I got the music on. I'm ready to go.
Music's already on. The equipment's not even set up yet.
Yeah, I don't even know how to do all this. This is gonna be good.
Neither do I. That's what sound guys are for.
We need an assistant.
I haven't set up my own turntables in 15 years. Maybe longer.
15 years,
Been
damn.
DJing 20 years.
Damn, you're old.
No.
I need a young DJ.
I'm not old. My career is
Too huge.
too big. How many pay for that?
That chain was free, huh, Ben?
Free
You gave a free chain for the plugs.
Hey, give us a free chain too. We'll shout you out on the vlog, dog.
Can you? I wonder on YouTube, can you play other people's music?
Oh no, they're gonna.
Yeah.
They'll flag it.
Pause it. Ben, we were listening to your music, so give us a chain. Damn, these are heavy. Deceiving.
I thought they were all black.
They're not?
At the store they were, right?
Yeah. Damn, Guitar Center ripping us off.
Screwing us.
Looks like the Beats by Dre collab. Oh, you know who I saw? This is a big sign. You know who I saw at lunch today?
Who?
At the Waldorf Astoria?
Sorry to bother.
Rooftop, of course, John George. Guess who I saw? Who's the biggest?
Dr. Dre.
Jimmy Iovine.
The reason I guess Dr. Dre is because we're talking about beats and that reminded Jimmy Iovine was there.
Jimmy Iovine was there, casually having lunch right next to me, so I knew this is the day.
Huge.
First thing about a DJ, gotta have good hair. I brought my hair stuff, hair gel, hair paste. Can't be bald in DJ.
You gotta fit the part. Look, super simple, like setup. Like, back when I was
1200?
13.
1387.
Yeah, this is like anybody become DJ.
Anybody.
You can too. Come take my job.
I'm gonna do a...
Anybody can start a clothing brand.
Take my job, please. So I can be a DJ.
The switch. Flame, why you never see me? This just goes right here? Yeah. Well, you don't have Serato, right?
No. I have to download that?
Yeah. You should probably get
Serato DJ. Do I have to download that?
yeah.
$99. Is it? Is it? Damn, Eric told me Serato was free. Scam.
Scam. It used to be.
$99 and $9.99 a month. I'm gonna spread that out $9.99 just in case I give up. This looks legit. This is it? This is all this?
All this for this?
What is this thing called? This big thing in the middle?
This?
Yeah.
It's a DJ controller.
This is a controller.
Pioneer
DJ.
DJ SR2.
Okay. These are speakers.
And these are speakers.
Okay. And what are these cords?
This is a USB drive, USB cord.
Okay.
And this is a power cord.
Okay.
And these are speaker cords.
The hottest thing is the laptop case.
Yeah.
Laptop holder. Real hot. Gotta have a hot laptop.
So, I think I need to get a driver for this.
Damn, this looks legit.
How old is your
It's old.
MacBook? Your AirBook?
It's old. A few years. So nobody has this though. So you never, when you go DJ.
No. Hell no.
You give me some bum ass equipment.
No, it's not that. You know what I mean? Like, no.
It's good enough for Metro.
Yeah. It'll do the job. I just don't do it.
So when you go to a club, what do you do? If they
It's
don't,
already set up.
but what if they have this? They don't have this.
They get sent my rider, so they better have my.
So what if I
can't
go?
perform under these conditions.
So when I
Yeah.
DJ at a big club, what do I do?
This will be on your rider.
Okay.
Yeah, so you send over your rider.
Management.
It'll be this.
Make sure.
Yeah, you're gonna have a controller. You're gonna have speaker system standard. So you just make sure you have this, and then your bucket of apple juice and your
1942
Capri Suns. 1942 and
blue
Capri
M&Ms.
Suns. Blue M&Ms. Only blue. Your own charger, your own laptop,
and my own music.
Your own music. They'll have this system set up, and then if this is on your rider, they'll have this set up.
And so for all the songs, do I have to buy every song, or can I stream them?
Buy them. Actually, you already buy them.
Headliner Music.
Headliner Music Club.
Thank you very much.
You get them from the promotional subscription.
Perks of being
for
a
DJs
DJ
only.
Yeah, only DJs. Don't be trying to sign up if you ain't a DJ.
No, you can't.
You can't.
So an approval process.
Yeah, I got approved.
And you're supposed to actually DJ places and give us
How
a
come I
list.
didn't get invited to Rich the Kid?
You did!
I know, but like I thought we'd get a follow-up. All I see is it on Instagram. Everyone's...
You said, I made it. I got invited to the HMC event, and you didn't show up.
There's
William
no follow-up?
Lifestyle was there.
I saw.
Did you reply? I'll make it.
No.
Yeah. No follow-up. RSVP only.
Very upset.
It was hot.
I didn't get it. He looked hot.
It was packed.
He looks like he has a bubbling personality.
He's a great guy.
Sweetheart.
And he's rich.
And he's a kid. He's everyone's dream.
Yep. New freezer.
New freezer. I wonder why he chose Rich the Kid, not a rich kid.
There's already a rich kid.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Dude, remember? Throw some D's on it.
That was
That's
Rich Kid? I thought it was Rich Boy.
Oh.
This is the DJ!
Yeah, I can't keep up with every boy and kid and rich.
I would have gone with Rich Kid.
Is that Rich Boy?
Rich Boy.
Yep. No. With the Y, yeah. Just normal. Alright, so you can plug this in. See if it works.
I don't have the right OS either.
That's what it says?
Yeah. I'm getting nervous. The OS. Apple's scamming me.
Super scam, dude.
I gotta be plugged to a power source? Come on. I know.
What are you doing this weekend?
We're running. You gonna run?
Again? No, I'm definitely not gonna run.
We're gonna do Santa Monica, running in some Yeezys.
You're gonna run in Yeezys?
Yes.
Okay.
Black and white ones. The zebra.
Okay, zebra.
Yeah, I'm gonna do 5 miles in.
Why?
Because everyone says they're runners.
They actually are comfortable.
Yeah, so I'm gonna run in those.
No, they actually call the other ones runners, the wave runners.
Technically, it's a trainer, right?
Yeah, it's a boost. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a boost.
Yeah.
Easy.
So I should be able to run 5 miles in them.
Oh,
Because if I can, then that could be my new travel shoe. Because I'd like to travel in Ultra Boost because I can go out in those if I have a meeting, go out at night, and I can go running in them.
Are you trying to give Kanye hints to start running?
Yeah, dad bod.
Dad bod. Dad bod challenge. Wait, so you're gonna run 5 miles in the Yeezys, brand new,
Lace
the
the
bucks, and then do what?
Give them away.
Give them away to who? Someone
Anyone.
running with you?
Problem is I don't need. I have too many shoes, so I'd rather give it to someone that wants it.
After you ran in them.
Obviously, I have to run in them. You go to Jason Mark or one of those places, right? Clean them up for $20, $30.
Oh, I know kids that'll take them. Even if you ran 50
Maybe
miles
I only
in
give them to people
Barefoot.
that run. You gotta run like 3 miles and you can have it. Whoever runs 3 miles.
Oh, that's easy. That's too easy.
The easy running.
It's an easy 300.
300 miles. You run 300 miles, I'll give you the shoes.
300 miles. How long would that take?
300 miles would probably take me 3 months based on my regular running. How about whoever takes the most shots of 1942?
Hand them over.
I don't even own any Yeezys. Do you have any Yeezys?
You know what? I got rid of all of them.
Really?
That's it.
Ghost.
I got rid of every single Yeezy. I don't own one pair anymore.
Why? Because just everyone has them, or
They just became too like. He let too many go, man. Like
too many colors?
too many colors, too many pairs. Checked out on it.
I gotta run in the Wave Runners. That's the one. I
My boy has
wanna
a pair, but
run in the Balenciaga sock runners.
oh, that looks comfortable. So what's going on? Are you...
I'm upgrading. Too much power. This thing was a disaster to set up. Being a DJ is not easy. I just changed my entire desk. Did it with the...
Hey, no
DJ Desktop!
DJ Desktop! That's a new name.
This is my town.
Yeah, can record. $9:15. DJ matinee starts early. Gotta be up early to DJ with me.